Want to start managing projects, teams, and tasks with ProofHub? Creating an account only takes a few minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create a ProofHub account step by step in 2026. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official ProofHub website. Once the homepage loads, look for the option to start a free trial or create a new account. Next, enter your name, work email address, and create a secure password. Depending on the current sign-up process, you may also be asked to provide your company or workspace name. Now, choose a workspace name. This will identify your team's ProofHub workspace, so pick something that's easy to recognize. You can usually change it later if needed. After submitting your information, check your email inbox for a verification message from ProofHub. Open the email and click the verification link to activate your account. Once your email is verified, sign in to your new account. You may be asked to answer a few setup questions, invite teammates, or create your first project. You can complete these steps now or skip them for later. After setup is complete, you'll arrive at the ProofHub dashboard. From here, you can create projects, organize tasks, manage discussions, upload files, and collaborate with your team. For a better experience, take a few moments to customize your workspace. Add your profile picture, adjust notification settings, and invite team members when you're ready to start collaborating. And that's how to create a ProofHub account. Once your workspace is ready, you can start organizing projects, assigning tasks, and collaborating with your team right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.